Amazon UK seller, you might have received a notification on your Seller Central saying that you have to register your EORI number in Amazon UK. So that is a very important notification. Do not ignore that. Otherwise, your account will be suspended after 1st of May in just 2 days. So what you have to do is you have to register your import number, that is your EORI number, in Amazon UK, and you have to put that number in your FBA section. From onwards, you are not going to be allowed to create any new shipment if you do not have any EORI number, and might get difficulty in your inbound of existing shipments after 1st of May 2025. If you need any help regarding your registration of EORI number, getting your details of EORI number from HMRC, and if you want to register your VAT in UK as well, we are happy to help you. You can contact us on the given details. Hi, so this is a second video for Amazon UK EORI update. Actually, sellers, if you are not importing your product from China or Pakistan or anywhere around the globe, you are actually getting your product within the UK. For example, you are doing your wholesale and you are buying product within the UK from any wholesaler or any retailer, then what you have to do is you are not required to upload any of the EORI. You must have your invoice with you on and the VAT details should also be on that invoice. The correct details of the Seller Central owners should be there, whether it's a company, whether it's a individual. But just for the clarity, in UK you are not allowed legally to sell for profit on individual accounts. So you must have an LTD or LLC anywhere around the globe. If you have registered your company, put that LLC or LTD, and if you are already registered in the UK, then you have to upload that LTD in your Amazon Seller Central to upgrade or to make it more compliant with Amazon policies. So what you have to do is you have to get the invoice if you are not importing product from Pakistan or China or Bangladesh or Turkey or anywhere from the around the globe. So you have to go to Seller Central in the FBA section and mention that this shipment is not for the import shipment. This shipment is bought within the UK shipment. The purpose here is Amazon would like to know that how much inventory you are actually importing within the UK and how much inventory you are buying from the UK. You have to prove that you are actually a buyer within the UK and you must have the invoice presented to that. That is really important, because if you are unable to provide any invoice, Amazon is not going to allow you to create a new shipment, and that might be a stepping stone for your onwards or maybe future suspensions.